Hi everyone. So I'm here just let you know if you are using a Meta service for the Facebook ads and all. So if you are facing any problem regarding with this, like you can't write the description of the ad and facing some issue regarding that. So there will be a one website which will be very helpful to you to write the Facebook ads. So I will just let you know. It's aitar.io. So you can go with this website. Here you can land on this page. So basically you can just enter your website URL here, or otherwise what you can do, just put in the manual input and you can write whatever the service or product you have and you need the ad for that, and just paste it here. Just like I want to sell my graphic designing service, write a ad descriptions related with this. Okay, so with this, so I will just generate here get results, and we can click some tags here. Some tags are there related with that you want. So it is just generating, so we can have some more. Okay, so here we have some copy. So click on the expand. So whatever the headline we can give to our ad, so we can pick from here. We have 2 3 4 5 description. We have like means topic we can say, and in that you can select any one of them. Like heading you can take from here, for the description you can take from here, for the primary text you can just go here and search for the like whatever the images you want. So for the images you can have this idea what we can use for the related with that to show our ad. Okay, so this is very helpful tool to use. You can just copy from here and paste it, and you can make the sense as per your requirement. So thank you for watching this video. Follow me for more updates and for more related this reels and all.